Hi guys, I'm here at the Bethpage State Park. Um, just relaxing. I'm reading a book, this CW Way of Life by Chris Rukowski. It talks about it starts off how his father learned the code during World War II. He grew up and still does CW, Morse code. Yeah, Morse code, and because he's an amateur radio, even though it's not a requirement no more, a lot of people learn Morse code. They learn Morse code for fun. Yeah, it's a real nice day today, and it talks about like all sorts of things concerning the code. You can get the book on Amazon. And so far I've got through part of the book. So far it seems like a real good book. And if you really want to learn Morse code, if you're interested, you can go to the Long Island CW Club. And I'll put the link in the description. Well, you don't have to go on the radio to use it, but it's Morse code is a good thing to learn, good skill to have to communicate. Yeah, it's sort of like binary code. There's dots and dashes. A lot of dots and dashes. Pick up the book. It's a real good read. I hope you guys pick up the book. I hope you pick up the book. It's the back cover. Yeah, I think this is the author, Chris Rukowski, NW63. CW means continuous wave. And well, I hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe.